Hello, everyone. This is your fan Divyesh Dave, and welcome to the day number 19. I hope that you are learning something every day in this 30 days challenge, and I really appreciate that you are also sharing your likes. But I'm just waiting for your queries. If you are facing any queries, please share in the group. And if you have not joined our group, please join our group. You can also like, follow, and subscribe this channel so that I can bring more things for all of you. So we are on day 19 and we have learned so far so many things. So today we are going to learn about the visualization, which is the most important part of reporting. So creating this data table and pivot is fine, but if you can just visualize your data and you can present to your management, so it will be, very attractive way to give the reports to management, and you can visualize that with using colors and different kind of shapes and all. So that's what we are going to learn. It creates a great impact when you present in that way. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn about visualize how to visualize our data, and we are going to learn two things, which is our charting, how to do the charting, different kind of charts, and the sparklines. So these are the two most important things that as an accountant we use. So let's say most populars are these three, like bar charts, pie charts, and line charts. I'll explain you what are these. And but there are a few things that we need to keep in our practice while creating these charts. First is keep less category when you're creating a chart, or some kind of visualization. Keep the categories less, and better to keep less if vertically. For example, if you are creating like vertical, create less. If there are more categories, you can create horizontally, something like that. And also rank them. So for better view, you can rank them. So how do you exactly want to do to see them? So these are the few. Clarity must be there before creating any kind of chart or any kind of visualization. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert the charts, which is very easy. But this is very important part when it comes to present your data. So far we have learned about how to create data set, how to clean the data, how to create different kind of tables, and how to analyze the data. But here comes the visualization part. So that's why we are going to learn about inserting, then how we can adjust and improve those things, and how we can combine do two different kind of charts. So first we will do with simple data, and then we will do with pivot or slicer, because it is going to pivot and slicers are going to make it dynamic and even more powerful. And then we are going to move to sparklines. So let's just go through our sample data set. So let's say this is our database. There is no pivot right now. This is a simple database. What I did is I just bring our unique category, which is name, sales, and budget. So name, I'll just put the item name. So the formula to bring all the unique value, which is unique. Select all these and then enter. That's it. Then you also know about our um, bring the sum ifs. So I just put simple sum ifs, and then I select the area, select the amount that I want to bring, then select the range, I mean criteria range, and then I give the criteria and enter. So I'll just freeze it, because this is not a table. That's why we have to freeze it. It's done, and then I'll just copy this, Control D. I'll keep it blank right now. I'll try to create some basic chart first, and then we will add more information in that chart. So to create chart, we just need to select the area, and then you can see insert. Before moving to any kind of chart, just click this part, which is recommended chart. You don't need to worry about too much. It will directly give you all the recommendation. Excel will give a recommendation by its own. So for example, this one, this is the like our vertical chart. So just click and it's done. No more hustle, no more bustle. Directly chart is here. Now from here, when you create any chart, when you insert any chart, it automatically brings the two major types of options to modify and to customize these charts. Just like we have in we have checked in our table. So first is our formatting. So this is what we are doing. We're going to check how you can format it. Let's say you want to change the color of fills. It will change the color of fills. You want to change the color of outline. It will change the color of outline. And different things you can do. You can change the shape effects. So it will change the box effect. So I'm not going deep into this part. You can try and test because it's just basic coloring and formatting thing. So you can try by your own. But what important thing is chart design. Now here you can see that different kind of modification you can do, like black background and this. It has two parts, like this y-axis and x-axis. So this is our let's say what is this? Yeah, sales. So this is our sales and this is our categories. So as I told you, try to keep less categories. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which looks decent. Now when you create this chart, we have three options here. Number one is to add the axis. What we want to what type of axis we want to add. Let's say primary. It will remove the names of primary horizontal. And then you want to increase the when you want to remove the names, it will remove the names. It will just give you the bars. And you can do multiple things, like you want to bring it center, labels. Labels means how much amount it is. But right now I'm just removing because I don't want to check them. And there are a bunch of tools that you can try and test. So let's just check what else we have here. Like access title, you want to add the access title here. Primary title, you can, I mean, you can do multiple things to just uh, what you can say is customize as per your need. That's what I wanted to say. So try it, test it, what you see. And because if I explain each and everything, it will be very long, and it's just a basic formatting things. Second is our coloring, and you can style. You can change the style of this color, and you can change the color palettes. Let's say you have this green one, and then the orange one, so it will change the orange. So as per your need, you can try and test it, something like this. And the third thing is the values that you want to see. Let's say you don't want to add television, or maybe, and then apply, so it will not show you that. And if you want to, let's say, make it none, apply, so it will not show you the category names and all. But let me just keep it normal. So this is all about the basic charts. So first is, this is called bar charts. Now you can switch the chart by just going here, change the chart type. So let's say we have column chart, we can convert them into line chart. Pretty simple, right? Click here, okay. Now it is line chart. And it's not like rocket science that you have to struggle a lot, but it's like very basic things. And next is our pie chart. So pie chart is basically this kind of ratio related chart. So it gives you percentage and all. And then there is second option appears here, within you just click right. And it can give you multiple options, like reset to match the style. And also um, let's say you have, let me just check it here, and change the series chart type. Again, you want to change the series or not. So what it gives us, it gives us options to modify our data set. So this is our like there are a bunch of options. You can just format it as per your needs. But what I was interested in just to show how you can create this and how you can modify this. So you can, let's say, you can add home theater also, and this also. So just adding these options. What else we have? Let's say We have legends. So it just brings you this kind of things. Uh, yes, one more thing. If you want to change from, let's say you don't want to show it to bottom, but you want to change it to in the left side. Just go here, change the chart type. Oh, sorry, not here. Let me just check it. Format legend, and you can just go here, keep it left or maybe right side. So basically, what it's giving is us so many options and how we can, beautify our chart. Okay, so this is all for today. Now, the second thing we need to learn about how we can add more things into this. So let's just bring to our main thing, which is our bar chart. See, this is going like horizontally. Also, you can create these charts, something like this, right? Now, sometimes right now we have only one option, so that's why it is creating. You can try and test different kind of charts that it is giving here. Let's like area chart, XY scatter, map, stock, surface, radar, tree map. There are so much of things. So try and test, but I'm going to cover only three major, which is column, line, column, which is already there, column, bend, bar, more more star like similar. Bar is like something like this, and column is like something like this. So second, what I wanted to say is I just want to change the range. Let me just keep it this one, or maybe bring our main column chart. Uh, Make it simple. Let's say this one. Okay, and I just change the style, change type, not chart type, but the design. So I want to make it simple. Uh, let's choose this one. You can delete and insert all these things what you want to see. Now here in the side by side, I also want to add the budget thing. So for that, what we'll do is we will just simply put to the heading budget, and then we will put another sum ifs, and then I'll just select this budget part, and again the range, which is the name of item, and then I will give this, and it's done. Then I'll freeze it. And then I'll just add it. So when you go here, you just check this corner, and you just bring it here, and done. It has added us what you mean the budget and sales. I think I put the wrong formula. Let me just change it because it's showing the same value. So this is our budget and actual chart. So this is how you can create multiple charts, and you can format it as per your needs, and see something like this. It will show you that, and just go to select format plot area, and this remove this uh, series series names. That is okay. Just change it. Chart area is okay. Plot area is okay. Hmm. Let me just make it the title. Chart title is okay. Grid lines, I don't want. Data labels is okay. No, pretty much more or less we have already created this, right? So this is how you can create your charts and all. Let's say you want to. I'm just looking for this thing. Select data. Yeah, this one. So let's say you have you want to change the data set. You just go here, edit this, and then you can just give instead of this part, you want to add this, and then done. So it will change the. You can change the data also from where you are linking this. So I hope you understood more or less what how to insert and how to modify. There are so many options you can try and test. So create few simple charts, and you can try to change color and how to change the layouts, something like this and this. So here also you can see there are different scenario it is giving, like primary, and so more or less it has different kind of templates, so you can use them. Okay, so this was the first thing you need to do. First, we have created bar chart. Then how many we had? Like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, and line chart. So we have created these four. Bar is something like this. So you can create bar. It is basically same like what was the name of this particular thing? Yeah, column and bar are same. One is vertically and one is horizontally created. So this is how you can create different kind of charts. Now we are moving to the next thing, which is our uh, creating a dynamic charts using the pivot and slicers. So right now we don't have any dynamic details. Every time we have to change it, right? So what we will do is we will convert this into the table. Let's do it. There is a blank. Let me just remove this blank. Okay. Now we just select Control Shift and Control T, enter. So now we have table. For the time being, I just remove this and also this area. Now we want to insert the pivot table. So you know the shortcut Alt NVT, and then I want to insert pivot here. Or maybe just let's just try in the new worksheet so we don't confuse our main data set with the pivot. Alt NVT, enter, view normal, and then we want items and then the sales amount, because we want to keep it normal, and also let's just add budget. Now we have this too. What we need to do is just change the format, number format into 00, use decimal. Okay. uh, Number format. What happened? Just a minute, guys. We have formatted our sales amount and a budget. Number format. Okay. Pretty strange. Yeah, I think it's mm, one by one I have to do. Number format, number, use decimal, 00. So this is how it's giving us data. Now we just go insert, and then we insert a simple bar chart, or maybe you can ask recommended. So let's just insert this one, first one. So this is how it can. Sorry, make sure you select this border, otherwise the separate part will move one place one other place. So this is how you can create a simple decent looking chart, which is like sale amount and budget. and you can select or deselect the items that you don't want here. You can filter them. Like, you can just change the sort, change the. You can sort them like descending, ascending. Okay, so directly here. But now the good thing is we have the slicers. So we just go here, pivot, insert the slicer, and let's say salesman. The first slicer we need as a salesman. So we added the slicer here. Let me just increase the size so you will understand the impact it is showing on the chart. So this is all about the visualization thing that we are going to do in our projects. But I'm just showing you what it can do right now. So let's one more insert, and then it's no, it does not have country, right? So let's say mm, let's keep it simple. Number one, like just as per the names. So let's say I click Alexander, it will automatically change the bar. If I change Colin, it will automatically change the bar. How beautiful it is, right? We just click and all the data set is changing. Like if you just change this to let's say change type into let's say line chart. So it will change the data in line chart also. So Diana is this. If you want to add multiple, it can show you multiple. So Diana in this. So this is all for our charting and all visualization part. Now one more thing I want to add, which is what we have covered. We have checked with simple data, with pivot, we have checked the recommendation, and also now we want to move the spark lines, which is really helpful. Uh, just move here. I hope you have understood how, and yeah, you can actually connect two types of chart as well. So we just go to sorry here, and then design. You can see here change chart type, and you can just go here combo. Combo is like a collection of two different type of charts. So for example, line chart and bar chart. You click here, it will show you both. Amazing, right? It is really amazing when you show these kind of reports to your management. You can just click here and everything is changing. See, David, Diana, something like that. So I hope you understood this. Also, we checked how to insert the bar chart. Let me just pie chart. So now insert the pie chart. Just change that. Anyways, so I hope you have understood this. What is the main crux of this thing is you can visualize your data, your whatever pivot or whatever summary you have created for management. You can create a different kind of visualization. Now, the next thing what I wanted to show is the sparkline. Sometimes we have different years data. Let's say 3 years data, 4 years data, or maybe just quarterly sales or quarterly things. So if you want to show it into the trending lines, you can also do that. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to insert, and you can see here lines, which is basically spark lines. And when you go here, just select the data range. You have selected from quarter 1 to quarter 6, and then enter and done. Can you see? It is showing the trends that you are going through in last 6 quarters. So you must have data of all the 6 quarters, or let's say you have year 1 or year 2, year 2, year 3, year 4. Now, why is this is changing? Because I put the rand between formula. That's why it just analyze the data or in It changes every time we add something new. Year 5 or maybe year 6. So in last years, it is giving us these kind of uh, trends. So I just copy this quarter 1 to quarter 6, or you can also say year 1 to year 6, and this is how it can show with beautifully designed, uh, spark lines. You just go here and you can change your spark lines also. Let's say you want in the columnar part, it will give you all columnar part. High point, you can create insert high point, low point, first point, last point. So something like that. You can change it. The highlighter point, which point you need to highlight. Then again, win, lose, or something like that. But make it simple, like this kind of line chart. So and then you can just add what is the starting point and high point, and so it will reflect all the high points. Can you see this? All the high points that is showing you. So this is how you can create beautiful visualization. So make it simple, make it short, because when you do it complex things, it will be very hard for you in the initial stage. When you learn, like when you are confident enough, you are practicing too much, then you can definitely use as much as you want. So just go through this thing and insert different kind of charts. Do some try and errors. If you come up with any problems, share it in the comments, and share in the group so that I can help you. So this is all for today. Now we are moving to our formula of the day and short of the day. So today's formula is concat. Concat is the formula that helps us to combine uh, data of multiple cells in the text format. Let's say you have this. Mm, let let me just check it again. Let's say you have this data, okay, and you want to create a code with the let's say you want to add two data, company name, and let's say serial number, and with the KYC is okay, and you want to create a unique name. So you just go here is equal to concat, and then you select, either you can select the whole thing, something like this, and it will combine the data of both the cells. Wow, how powerful it is, right? So this is how you can combine. Just put concat and then you select the range. And second thing is you can do is concat, then you choose your cells number of this, then comma this, and then comma this, and then it will merge all these three cells that you have selected. So you can create a unique name, or unique ID, something like this. So basically what it does is it just connects all the text and it bring in a one cell. This is what concat does. Okay, but it does not give you any other option. You can just select, you can't add a comma or anything else. It will just give you unique list, unique um, not the unique, but it will just combine the text of two or more columns, two or more cells. That's what concat does. So the use case is, let's say if you want to create any unique code, or maybe you want to combine the names, that there you can use this concat. But it is really helpful when the use case comes. And next is our shortcut of the day. So shortcut of the day is add and delete the sheet. So let's say we have this sheet. Let me just copy this. And if you want to um, hide alt H is, and then again alt HDS. So it will delete the sheet. There was this sheet. Alt H D S. Okay. Alt HDS means for delete. Sorry, I forgot to mention. This is for deleting the sheet. If you have created multiple sheets and you don't want them, just put Alt HDS. That's it. And Alt HIS is Alt HI. Alt HIS is for insert the sheet. Yeah, it said it has inserted the sheet. See, now I want to make it to normal view. So this is how it inserted. So Alt HIS for insert, Alt HDS for delete the sheet. No more mouse uses. Simply use the shortcut and you can easily insert and delete the sheets. So thank you so much for watching this, guys. I hope you have understood the visualization thing, how you can visualize your data. Try to keep less data when you are visualizing, otherwise it will become so bulky and very, it doesn't look good when you create bars and line charts with a lot of criterias. So keep the criteria as one or two maximum, so that it can give you the beautifully, nicely, uh, visually visual presentation of your data. And then you can use this concat. You can add these shortcuts. The task is just create a database and chart, just like I have created. Do some try and error, and share the snapshot in our group. Also, if you have not joined our group of professional and elite accountants, please join. I'll put the link, and please give your suggestion how we can, uh, you know, improve the experience in our group and in these videos. So thank you so much for watching. We have almost finished all the things. There is one more thing pending which I am going to finish tomorrow, and then we will move to projects. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day. Keep learning, keep improving, and of course, keep practicing, because you don't practice, you forget. Okay, so have a great day. This is your friend Divyesh Dave signing off. Bye bye. Take care.